Welcome to mountain living at its finest. Rustic meets modern in this spacious home. With a gourmet kitchen including a Viking induction cooktop and 60-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator. Friends and family can cozy up to the wood-burning fireplace in the kitchen while you cook. With 3 additional fireplaces in the home, you are sure to stay warm on those cold winter nights. This home is an entertainer's dream, featuring a completely remodeled 2,445 square foot pool house with a 60-foot by 16 feet in-ground swimming pool surrounded by slate tile, complete with an entertainment area including a wet bar, granite counters, cooktop with grill, full-size refrigerator complete with large glass garage-style door to bring the outdoors indoor. Nestled on a tree-filled lot with mountain views from every window. There are multiple decks to help capture those evening sunsets. This custom home is situated on 12.3 acres, on a private road in a gated community. There is easy access to 500 acres of trails, giving you the best of mountain living while being less than 30 minutes to the Denver metro area.